guys, welcome to today's video. I got this, it's a LiftMaster. The lid is down on it. I get here, this is what's happening. So if I hit the, let's say, close button, the machine is running and everything, but nothing's happening. So my guess, without even looking yet, and like I said, the lid's down on it. Someone's been tinkering around with it. What the f? Maybe a roll pin, because these LiftMaster machines are kind of notorious for those things wiggling out over time, and the drive shaft, you know, won't turn anymore to turn the chain and everything. So I'm gonna climb up here and see if it's a roll pin. So I had to move that thing out of the way, and I guess this is how we're doing it. Well, let me show you what's going on. Let's get up here.
What the f was that?
All right, see that hole?
Oh no, oh no.
It's missing a roll pin. Yeah, you can see right through there.
Got him!
And I've noticed on, you know, a lot of these LiftMaster commercial openers, they seem to lose the roll pins, or the roll pins wiggle out. So I guess some good maintenance would be every now and then, just climb up, take a look at your roll pin, make sure it's not sticking out. Because a lot of times it'll be laying down in on top of the machine here. But this one, it actually sheared off. So there was half of it laying in there and half of it stuck in there. I got this thing all lined back up, and I got a new roll pin for it. So let me see if I can get this thing in there. All right, well, there we go. Got pounded in the rest of the way. Yeah, I found this thing works really good. Basically a punch, kind of a bigger end on here and bigger end there. You don't smash your fingers. It's easy. Just basically stick that end on the end of there, and then take your hammer and whack away. Whack-a-mole. Let's see if I can get this in there. Hopefully it goes nice and smooth. All right, everybody, that was successful. The roll pin went in fairly decent.
I mean, it's all right, like.
No fighting me or anything like that, so good to go. I had to take the trolley like almost completely loose.
Perfect.
So that way it would take off the tension a little bit off of that chain that was wrapped around the sprocket. The sprocket was a bear to move to get over, slid into place. But everything's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna tighten up the chain. I guarantee it threw the limits way off. I can see, well, it's almost on the open limit, so it might be close. But nonetheless, I'm probably gonna have to adjust the limits a little bit. That's what we got. Logic 4 Elite Series. There's all the pertinent information, model number and all that good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna tighten that chain back up and get this thing rocking and rolling and get out of here. All right, so far so good. And before I hook up the door, I like to get the, you know, the trolleys somewhat close. That down limit, it was way off. Let's open it up. Here it comes. All right, there it is. I might have to shut that off a little sooner. You can kind of see where the black marks stop. That's probably where that trolley was stopping on the up. So I'm gonna back that up off a little bit, and I think my down is pretty close. And I'm gonna hook the door up and give her a run. But yeah, there we go. See the roll pin in action. Without that thing, nothing's gonna happen.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
All right, I got that limit set about where I want to try it with the door. But yeah, back to the roll pin. You know, if you try to run your LiftMaster commercial opener, and it sounds like things are working and running and everything, but the trolley is not moving, check your roll pins, guys.
That was easy.